Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tasha and welcome back. For today's video, of course y'all already know what it is. We are getting into another massive SHEIN haul. I just want to let you know here in the beginning, I'm going to have to split this up into 3 videos. So here is SHEIN part 1 of 3. So grab yourself a drink and a snack, come on back and let's see what I hauled this time. Hey friends, so your girl is interrupting this video to do a quick unboxing. I want to thank AnyFashion for partnering with me on today's video and sending me this gorgeous bag and necklace. So guys, when you get your bag, it will come in a beautiful dust bag like so. This one is very good quality, very heavy duty material, and as you can see, this is the brand bag that I picked up. But first we're going to unbox the necklace. So when you get your jewelry, if you purchase any, it will come in a super cute box like so, along with a gift bag for gift giving, and of course paperwork. Super cute. So I picked out this gorgeous, and I do mean gorgeous, Louis necklace. But it's rose gold with like faux diamonds on it. So really, really, really pretty. I'm going to take it out of here and show it to you guys, but I'm going to leave the chain in the plastic bag. So here's what she looks like. Really pretty, nice and blingy. And on the other side, I'm not going to be able to show you guys. I know I'm not. It has a Louis Vuitton little charm, as you can see right next to the big pendant. And then it does say Louis Vuitton on the back. And then here it says LV right here on the clamp, and then the clamp kind of reminds me of like a zipper. So for me, this chain is gonna fit like, I'll show you guys real quick. So on me, it's gonna sit right here. Don't mind the makeup on my shirt, but it's gonna sit like right here, which is what I wanted. So I can tell you right now, they have fabulous jewelry. So if you're looking for designer jewelry, definitely check out AnyFashion. I feel like their prices are pretty reasonable as well. And there will be a discount code down below. So for the bag, I picked up this LV bucket. This is my first LV bucket bag. And guys, they do use real leather. The stitching is phenomenal and everything looks legit. So first of all, here's the carry handle. It is imprinted with Louis Vuitton, and as you can see, stitching is fantastic, and you will notice that quality throughout the bag. Does not have feet on the bottom. It also comes with an adjustable strap, and it is adjustable by these little guys right here that just snap. And then all of the hardware is imprinted with Louis Vuitton, both front and back. I mean, all the details are here, guys. There's no slacking on this. All right, y'all, so here's the piece for the bucket bag to close. And so you just want to stick it in the holes. I think I'm doing this right. Again, it's my first bucket bag, guys, so please don't laugh at me. I think I'm doing it wrong though, because there's no way that that closes like, oh yeah it is. Yes sir. I'm pretty sure this is how you do it, but then I don't know, y'all. Is there a hole over there? No. And then I want to say you just probably like create another loop on the end here, and then when you want to close it, you'll just pull this guy up to close it. If I'm doing it wrong, y'all let me know. Again, first bucket bag, so I'm not 100% sure, but I would think that's how you close it. I left this filled until I was going to use it, which I'll be using it today. But it also comes with a little pouch, and it clips inside the bag, which I'll show you in just a moment. But here's the little pouch. Again, beautiful quality, beautiful stitching. Nothing cheap about this. The hardware is nice and heavy. Everything is imprinted. Even the little Louis Vuitton zipper pull has Louis Vuitton. Nice zippers, guys. Like I said, there's nothing cheap about this. So inside the pouch, you do have the Louis Vuitton tag in here. And it's pretty roomy in there. Could fit quite a bit. Here is the inside of the bucket bag. It is huge. You do have your Louis Vuitton logo here. And then you also have, and I seen it and now I can't find it. Oh, you do have a date code in here. It's going to be hard for me to show you, but I'm going to try. Or serial number, rather. Whatever you want to call it. Right there. Stitching inside is just as good as the outside of the bag. It's like a nice, I don't know what this material is on the inside, but it feels just like the real ones. All right, here is the D-ring on the inside of the bag for your pouch, and it just clips. All right, I don't know if I showed you guys this hardware. It's also imprinted Louis Vuitton. You can either carry her like so, or like so, or you could adjust this if you wanted to and do like a crossbody moment. I haven't quite figured that out yet, but here is the outside of the bag. I absolutely love this bag. I have this bag in another, like another style, if you will. Same color. I just love it that much. But yeah, if you guys are curious about AnyFashion, they have some gorgeous bags. They have gorgeous jewelry, shoes, clothes, anything that you could possibly want, you can pick it up over at AnyFashion. And I do want to thank them for partnering with me on today's video. On to the SHEIN haul, y'all. All right, if you are new here, again, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tasha. Hello. I just want to let you know my sizes. Generally, I am a US size 4 to 5X in tops, dresses, jackets, things like that, or any sweatshirts or anything like that, like I want to wear oversized and things. In bottoms, I'm generally a size 24, and that is because I don't wear them up over my belly. Just FYI, I just don't like it. So this top that I'm showing you guys right off the jump is by SHEIN Curve. It is poly and elastane, so you do have tons of stretch in this little guy. It does have a fully functional pocket here in the front, nice V-neck, short sleeve. I love the print. Nice and stretchy here at the arms. So here is the print on this one. Just really cute, really girly, gray, heathered gray, white, and pink. And again, does have that functional pocket. So as far as the length on this guy, it comes right to, I'd say, the top of my thighs. I am only 5'4", so do keep that in mind. If you're taller than me, it is going to lay differently on you. So really, really comfy, guys. You could pair this with pretty much anything that you want. I think this would look super cute with a pair of distressed, probably distressed jeans or distressed jean shorts. Also, to my ride or dies, hey girl, hey, if I seem a little off in this video, it's because I am up at, what time is it? 2 o'clock in the morning? Yes, 2 a.m. And I've been up since yesterday at 4 a.m. and Nick's trying to sleep because we're going to my brother's tomorrow, so I'm trying to be quiet. So this cute piece right here, sorry if you guys can see my light setup over there. So this piece right here is actually part of the SHEIN Curve Sleep collection. I love their nightgowns. They're nice and short, very lightweight. I picked this up in a 4X by SHEIN Curve, and it is polyester and viscose, so again, tons of stretch. The only thing I would change about these nightgowns is I miss my pockets. They don't have pockets in these. So scoop neck in the front. Here's what it looks like on the side. Nice, easy over the head moment. I actually have this in blue. Super cute. And here is what the length is looking like. So it hits me right below the knee, which is perfect for me in the summer. Alright guys, so this is also SHEIN Curve. This one I picked up in a 5X. And this is poly viscose and elastane. Tons of stretch. I like this because it says it is what it is, and I say that all the time. Again, nice and stretchy, nice short sleeve, very stretchy in the sleeves. Nice little scoop neck. I love the color of blue. It's like this cobalt with heather. So there's the actual color. And then as far as the length, right here again at top of the thighs. Very, very comfortable though. Don't let the t-shirts fool you, boo. I got plenty of cute stuff to show you. Okay, friends, so this jacket I obviously would not pair with this t-shirt, but it's still kind of humid here where I am, and I was going to try it on with this SHEIN dress, but it's too hot, girl. So I'm just going to show it to you guys like this. This jacket is from SHEIN Fit Plus, and I think I picked it up. I don't remember where the tag is. Girl, don't get me lying. Everything's listed below in the order I show it to you. But I had to have it because it's Houndstooth, and I just instantly thought, Chanel. And when I did my pictures earlier today, I actually had my little Chanel brooch pinned on it, and it looked so cute. So yeah, this I would rock with either slacks and like a nice top that matches, or even a pretty dress. You could rock this with jeans. Prep it up a bit. It's so beautiful. So here's what it looks like to the side, 3/4 sleeves. It is nice and stretchy. I think I got this in like a 3X or a 22, but yeah. Is it showing you guys the length? Yes, perfect. So even though I'm 5'3", this is like coming right to the waistline, so it's not going to cover your hips or your booty or anything. But if you're someone that's struggling with that, I would totally say this would be the kind of piece to kind of help you get out of that. So here are the true colors. It does not close. It's totally open. The inside is white. It's nice and thin, so very, very lightweight. There's the back again. It is collarless, and you guys already saw the length, so let's move on to the next piece. Okay, friends. Don't laugh, girl. Don't laugh, because this could be you. The reason I'm trying this on for you is because, number one, if you're new here, I'm on a weight loss journey. So I want you to know that like it's okay if you buy something and you have a few more inches to lose before you can wear it. Girl, put it in your closet. You'll get to it, especially if you're actively trying to lose weight and stuff. Second of all, it was super cute, and I had a hunch it wasn't gonna fit, but anyways, it's super cute. 2-piece set. You got the shorts and the top, and it's in the SHEIN curve line, and it's 100% poly. So let's just keep going this way. Really, really cute lime green with black polka dots. Super cute off the shoulder moment. If you are broad shouldered, girl, there's tons of stretch up here for you. If you're big busted, they got you. Just make sure it's gonna fit in this area or that you're close to. You feel me? So here is the true color. Absolutely gorgeous. However, we got a little bit more time to go. So obviously I would not wear this yet, not just yet. The model had it tucked in, and so I thought, oh, okay, so it'll look really cute once I lose this little bit of inches up here, and then you can tuck it in. And yeah, I mean, it's really, really cute on the model though. So you guys kind of see where I was, my mindset was. So the shorts are really, really comfortable. They are elastic. And then they do have a drawstring here as well as the top of the shirt. Here's the back. But yeah, really cute concept. Y'all, I cannot wait for this to go down just a little bit more. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all. So this piece here is also SHEIN Curve. It's a 4X and it's 100% rayon. So there's no stretch in this. Very, very, very little here right under the bust. For YouTube purposes, this is pretty low cut, so I have my sports bra on. So you guys will see that peeking out. This is a little small in the tummy area too, but we're almost there, so I'm keeping it. Nice short sleeve. Again, ladies, there's no stretch in this, so you want to make sure you know your sizes. Nice, easy over the head moment. Here are the true colors, so I'm sure you guys can see why I wanted it. Again, right down here we have a little bit of cinching. Yes, you can see Tina peeking through, but it's all good. It's all good. Have a nice cute little slit here on the side, just the one side, and it comes down right above my ankles. But beautiful, beautiful print. And there we are. So gorgeous. If I really wanted to, like if it was that serious and like I needed to wear this now, I could totally just go grab some shapewear, but y'all know how I am. And for the girls in the back that don't hear me or think that they have to wear shapewear, girlfriend, no you don't. It is too damn hot. It is too damn hot to be weighing yourself down with all of those extra layers. If you don't want to wear shapewear, don't feel like you have to. A lot of times we think people are staring at us and they're not. They actually think the same thing we think. So stop being uncomfortable if you don't want to wear the shapewear, or you don't want to wear, you know, your winter clothes in the summer because it's hot. Wear stuff that is comfortable to you, things that make you feel confident and beautiful, and that's it. And if you do have confidence issues with like your larger arms, bigger legs, get you some Jergens Glow Lotion. I'm going to link it down below. And to those of you that have actually tried it and stepped out of your comfort zone, please let the girls know down in the comments that it actually does work. What that lotion is going to do is it's going to gradually tan you over the course of a few days. And it doesn't streak. It's not Oompa Loompa orange. And it really helps to be more comfortable wearing, you know, shorter sleeves and short shorts, skirts, things like that. I promise you, just step out of your comfort zone and try it. You are going to feel like a boss ass bitch and you're going to love it. All right, y'all. So I had to have this. This is so cute. I don't know why this is so cute to me, but this is SHEIN Fit Plus. It is a size 22. And it's just this really cute collared short sleeve color block with design button down top. That was a mouthful. So anyways, this is 100% rayon. There's no stretch. And I will probably actually rock this with like a solid colored tank, black, white, pink, whatever. Or just like a solid colored t-shirt. For filming purposes, I have it closed because I didn't have anything else to try it on with. Let's get on with it, shall we? Here's what it looks like on this side. Here's the back. This is really super comfortable. And honestly, guys, I was surprised that a 22 actually buttoned on me all the way around. Like, go Tasha. So here's what it looks like up close. So cute. Right? Love that. And then here's the buttons. And guys, this actually has buttons and things on both sides if you want to hide your buttons. So you can kind of do whatever you want. Now, lengthwise, it's not super long. So if I were to, you know, Tina's going to hang out. But anywho, really, really cute though. Really comfy. This would look so cute. So cute for back to school, in my opinion. All right, y'all. So that, unfortunately, is the end of this haul. Remember, if you're not subscribed and you want to see hauls 2 and 3, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That way you're notified when I upload. To my ride or dies, hey girl, hey. Thank you as always for taking time out of your busy days to come hang out with me. Like always, I'm dying to know what your favorite piece from today's haul was. So please drop those comments down below. And I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.